Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, and also we'll be doing the live market analysis like how the pre-open market has opened, gap up and gap down opening stock. So all these things we'll be discussing in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to see the live trade what we do today. And now the time is almost 9:11, so let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 17,436.90, that is 0.16% down. Advanced stocks are 15, defenses are 16, and unchanged is one stock. So range bound opening here I can say. So the most gap up opening stock is NTPC with 2.22% up, and Apollo Hospital with 0.93% up. And coming to the stock which is opening the most gap down section, that is SDFC with 1.14% down, and ICICI Bank with 0.73% down. So yes, today the market is a little bit off in bearish section. So let's see how the market will perform today. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. And also I upload everyday live trading profit what we do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to make consistent profit from trading, you can join my courses today. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Tata Consumer stock to trade. I selected this stock yesterday also. I'm not taken an entry yet guys, so once I take an entry, I'll update. So planning to take entry above 785. Okay, so let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to go to 785. Okay, so guys, yes, it is almost coming near 785, so I shall just quickly buy this stock now in the intraday in the market level. So 784.5575, it's just okay, we got 785 touching there, so I saw it. So 785.15 just touched. So guys, I just bought this stock now around 785 as you guys saw. So hoping for at least like 6 to 7 points of move here. You know, this stock can move, and you can see at the top left the market is recovering, so that's why I took a buy side. So if it was going below 780, so I could have short sold, but it was going above that, so 785 is a good level, so that's why I just bought it. So let's see how the market will perform now. And anyways, the market is 0.17% up now, so it is in a good positive side. If the market continues, we'll see. So yes, 786 is a new high as of now. 787, yes. So the first 5 minutes candle I was almost close to 788 I guess, and I think it will give a breakout now. Once it gives a breakout, so we will see a fast movement happening. So let's wait for the breakout to happen guys. So once the breakout happens near 788, we can see a good movement for 3 to 4 points is what I am guessing right now. So let's wait for it to go up, and we'll update you guys about the exit what I take later. So this stock I had selected in the yesterday's itself, so I have made a video also yesterday on what stock I'll be trading on today. You can go inside my channel and watch it. So I've selected Tata Consumer stock and Kotak Bank, so I prefer to trade Tata Consumer today, and we are in a buy side now, so hoping for it to go up, so we'll wait. So guys, as you guys can see here, 788 gave a breakout, and from now we can expect a bit of a fast movement, and the market is again down to 0.01%. So it's not even plus or it's not even minus now. So that's why I'm trying to make my quick exit, guys. Okay, so the market is very fluctuating today. So anyways, let's be safe here and book 6 or 7 points and take my exit. So yes, 790, so 790, almost 5 points up now from the levels where we bought. And yes, let's take the exit quick. And not only I'm in the trade, even my clients who have joined my course and have learned, so even they're also in the same trade today and they're also booking the same profit. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques and want to get the daily updates like this, you can join my course now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced, guys. So yes, I'll just take my exit now, 792, and I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, we bought it around 785 and the stock is now up. The stock is trading at 792.45 now, so it is breaking its own high right now. So yes, our target is achieved and I was able to book the profit and I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's state of Tata Consumer Stock. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.